What's up there, YouTube peeps? So this is my first post in 2015. I'm coming to you straight from my new setup place in Virginia, where I've got my brand new arcade game stick from Razer. Looks pretty cool coming out of the box. It's pretty heavy. Looks like it's durable. Hopefully in the near future I'll be posting some gameplay on Killer Instinct and when Mortal Kombat X comes out, so Mortal Kombat X gameplay, and get involved with uploading some games. So thanks for being on my channel, and I look forward to sharing with you in the near future. Peace out.